what are you doing? I am trying to make a bird video. Do you want a stick? Do you want a stick? Now we gotta hear him chewing in the background. Anyway, that's my recycled gallon jug. It wasn't spring water. It might have been distilled water. Oh, no. You're done. You've already ruined this video. Oh, okay. They live in that tree. All right, well, if anybody knows what kind of bird that is, let me know in the comments. And Noble says thanks for watching. Right, Noble? Now's the time you're supposed to bark. All right, anyway, we're out. See you in the next one, folks.